Assalamualaikum everyone. So today I'm gonna show you how you can make 4K CC in CapCut. First go to Effects, then Video Effects and search Sharpen Edges. Click on Adjust. Blur 0, Sharpen 50, Size 15, Range 20, Filter 70. Then go to Filters. Now search Peach Fuzz. Make it 90. Then again go to Filters and click 4K and make it 75. Now go to Adjust. Brightness 7, Contrast 7, Saturation -7, Brilliance 10, Sharpen 50, Clarity 20. Now HSL, follow my steps. Highlight 25, Shadows 9, and then your 4K CC is done. If you want more tutorials like this, tell me in comment section and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to watch malhunhatun happy screen back, click on the screen and watch malhunhatun happy screen back. Bye. Allah Hafiz.